love of essential oils, but I'm just so confused.
Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. The Simply Earth February Essential Oil Recipe Box is the best way to learn how to use essential oils and create toxin-free body care products. Click the link below to join the box that has over 5,000 5-star reviews. People love us. You'll make these fun recipes and get everything you need in this month's recipe box. Fall in love with essential oils this Valentine's Day. Subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box today.
I love using their recipes because they're fun to make.
I have learned so much about essential oils.
Getting everything in the box that you're going to need to create.
Across the market, they are one of the more affordable brands.
With a new theme each month, you'll learn how to actually use your oils. You get to make fun recipes because you get all the ingredients you need. You don't have to go to a party and get pressured to buy things, but you still get to have fun. We're talking about a box that saves money, gives confidence in a natural home, and is delivered right to your door.
How much is it?
Each box has over $100 value. It's only going to be $29.99 for your first box. And it comes with a big bonus box. Hero course, essential oil community, exclusive discount, free shipping, and a no-risk guarantee.
Are these pure?
Absolutely. Every essential oil we carry here at Simply Earth is backed by GCMS test. Just enter the code on the bottle on our website and you'll see the GCMS test results. Here are the pure oils in this month's recipe box. Love supports romantic feelings. Ginger aids in digestion. Fennel energizes and supports respiration. Cardamom smells so good and makes breathing easier.
Woohoo!
You also get all of these fun extras to help you fall in love with essential oils. Does your skin need a little extra love? The swirled pink heart soap, it shimmers and it cleanses. Sick of nicks and cuts when shaving your legs? This love cleansing shave soap is what you need. But be careful, you might find your husband stealing it.
It's okay, I'm single.
No synthetic fragrances, fillers, toxic chemicals ever. Fall in love with essential oils today.
I'm in love and I'm